Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about South India like Shatavahana, Kadamba, and Gangas. Look at the points in this chapter we have learned. First of all, we should know about the South India geographical information. The Vindhya mountain can separate India as two parts. One is North India, another one is South India. This area between Vindhya mountains to Kanyakumari is called as South India and also called as Deccan region. Here, some of the important kings have been ruled South India. First one, Shatavahana, Kadambas, Gangas, Chalukya, Rashtrakutas, Pallavas are important. Look at the India map. Here, India has been divided as North India and South India. The Vindhya mountain ranges can be divided into two parts, North India and South India. Look at the map of the mark. Please carefully observe. From Vindhya mountain ranges to Kanyakumari of the arrow mark is called as South India. Here marked. Now let us learn about Shatavahana dynasty. 232 220 Christ era. Gautami Putra Shatakarni was the most prominent king of Shatavahana dynasty. He started Shalivahana Shaka and Yajnasri Shatakarni was the last emperor of this dynasty. Here, some of the important occupations are there in Shatavahana dynasty. Look at the marks. Farmers, merchant, goldsmith, fisherman, carpenter, weavers, medicine, and etc. The Satavahana dynasty was encouragement about some of the important ports, Bhatkala, Nasik, and etc. Here also given encouragement of the architecture that Bhutapala built by the Banavasi Chaitalaya. It means Karle. Kadamba dynasty. Kadamba dynasty founded by Mayura Sharma and also called as Mayura Varma. He has made a capital city of Banavasi that presently located in Uttara Kannada. Look at the map. Uttara Kannada is one of the district of Karnataka. Here look at the map of Banavasi locating in Karnataka map. Here arrow mark shows the Banavasi is the capital city of Kadamba dynasty. The Kadamba made a special contribution in different various fields, and royal priests and minister and military generals played a significant role. And also we can find out some of the important occupation in Kadamba dynasty like carpentry, goldsmithy, blacksmithy, weaving, and oil extraction. If you know about the more information of occupation presently, we can see the next picture. Look at that. Here, jobs in English, you could remember that athlete, engineer, soldier, and etc. The map of Kadamba dynasty, the important places of Kadamba dynasty that are Aihole and Badami are the two religious center and also important center of Kadamba dynasty. Here we can find out the sum of the languages used by Kadamba dynasty, that is Prakrit and Sanskrit and Kannada language. Kannada language is commonly used by Kadamba dynasty. The ancient inscription Almidi also goes to Kadamba dynasty, that inscribed by Kakutsa Varma. So this Halmidi inscription was the first inscription available in Kannada. That's why we can call as the first Kannada inscription as called as Halmidi. Look at the picture. That is Almidi stone inscription inscribed by Kakutsa Varma. Kadamba laid foundation many architecture of Karnataka, built many temples and basadi in Banavasi. The many agrahars also founded in Kadamba dynasty like Talagunda and Belligave are the residential school also in Kadamba dynasty. Next, we can go to learn about the Ganga 350 Christ era to 1004 Christ era. The Ganga dynasty, basically they are from Ikshwaku dynasty. It is one of the tribal group. They started beginning rule from Kuvalala, presently called as Kolara, and Talakadu and Manyapura. Today's Manyapura, as called as Manne, that located in Nelamangala, Bangalore rural district. Gangavadi kingdom, it's also Ganga kingdom, that beginning ruled by Dadiga. Dadiga, the name also called as Kungani Varma. He was considered as the founder of Ganga dynasty. There are many kings are there ruled in Ganga dynasty. Next one, contribution of Gangas. The Gangas made a contribution of many various fields, and the village committee looked after the land revenue, justice, sanitization and defenses, and agriculture also one of the main occupation of Ganga dynasty. And also they has been divided into different sects and castes, and many architectures are available in Ganga dynasty. Look at the picture of Gomateshwara. This was built by 4th Rachamalla's Prime Minister Chavunda Raya. Since this was height 58 feet of monolithic idol Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola, presently located in Hassan, the Mahamastaka Abhisheka of Gomateshwara, which takes place once in every 12 years on this day. And the Ganga kings encouraged art and architecture. They built many temples and basadis: Kapaleshwara temple, Manne temple, Talagundeshwara temple, and Maruleshwara temple of Talakadu, Kolaramma temple, and Nageshwara temple. Look at the picture of Pataleshwara temple in Talakadu. This is also one of the contribution of Ganga dynasty. The Ganga kings were the lovers of literature also. Here, some of the literary works are given in your textbook. Please note that Durvinita, the Sanskrit work Shabdavatara, and translated Gunadhya's Vaddakatha into Sanskrit. Sri Purusha wrote Gajashastra, Shivamadava wrote Gajashtaka, and a Kannada poet Hamsasena wrote Raghava Pandaviya, Vadivasimha wrote Gadya Chintamani, Shastra Chudamani, and Nemichandra wrote Dravyasa